Hello friends, a new token has arrived from the US as you know. Trump launched his own meme coin a few days ago. We also made a video about the meme coin that Trump launched, even showing you how to buy and sell it. It was around $15–20. Now the Trump token has risen to around $55, friends. Now Trump gave a speech yesterday, friends. We can even call this in our terms a bit of a balcony talk. Yesterday, while Trump was giving his balcony speech, a new meme coin called Melania coin was launched at midnight, named after Trump's wife, friends. He shared this on Trump's Torture Twitter, and then Trump retweeted it, friends. And as soon as Trump retweeted, while the net dollar was around $1,000, we, the coin engineer, announced this token to you on the news and on Twitter, friends, because we thought it could be like Trump. I congratulate all of our friends who bought it with us along with the news. We're still getting a lot of questions like how can we buy Melania coin, or if someone from Trump's family launches another coin, how can we get that? Friends, in this video I'll answer all of them, so don't worry. Now Melania coin is still new on exchanges, friends. We can buy it from exchanges, but I will also show you how to purchase it through Phantom. Now we're keeping an eye on our wallets in case a new mint coin comes from Trump's family, friends. At the same time it becomes a lament. I'll talk to you a bit about the APC change for lamenting and how to buy it directly as soon as it comes out in our Phantom wallets. To buy it without being listed on any exchange, you need Solana. I will show you all of them one by one, friends. Later I'll show you how to buy it. Look, we really caught it around $1. And we shared this with you on Coin Engineers News and Coin Engineers Twitter. Follow these places so that if someone new from Cramp's family produces another coin, be sober, friends, and buy it immediately. If someone else launches a coin, be ready to act on it immediately. Do your own research and make your own decision. Decide whether to buy or not. If you are thinking of buying it, go for it right away. Get in there so you can jump on the ship early, friends. Of course, none of this is ever investment advice. We're already in this business. We've taken our own risks. We're making small purchases according to our own risk, friends. Now, you know that America has significantly affected Bitcoin due to these elections. Trump launched a meme coin. The Merengue meme coin has arrived, and people are expecting a new meme coin from Trump's family. So whether it's a plum or a baron, they're expecting a meme coin from Trump's sons. Now let's take a look at Trump's family and also at the ongoing situation. If they launch a coin, how to get it directly. I'll show you how we can buy the coins, although this is not investment advice. Before we move on to the video, let's give it a like. Friends, let's get started. We know Donald Trump. First of all, we need to follow this guy's Twitter. Based on the tweets this guy posts in real time, we have a chance to make money in this market. We're not really asking whether this coin will hold, or if Melania will hold, or if Trump coin will hold. If we can catch it at low prices in the last minutes, we can make some money, friends. Now hold on. Whether Melania will be held or whether Trump will sell these coins or not. Hold on. It seems possible to make money right now by doing our own research and buying at low prices when a decision is made. This is definitely not investment advice. Look at what happened last night, friends. Melania Trump's husband announced his own me game. He announced the game, look, 12 hours ago. We also shared this directly on the Coins account on Twitter and Telegram. Later, Donald Trump tweeted about this. And with this news, let's head over to DEX and take a look. Look how far we've come that day. Around $1. I mean, the moment I saw it around $1, it was never a good buy. It was already a bloodbath, friends. What is this place? This is Dexon's place. Let's say we were tweeted at night. We're definitely not here. No one is here. He tweeted. Donald Trump just tweeted, look. You just press right on top of it. Look, there's a CA here, friends. So we can say this token's identity. Its ID, look. I'm copying this. I'm coming to Dexiclin. Is there such a token? I'm looking, see, I press the paste button. Melania, me. Look, Melania me has arrived and it's currently hovering around 11 nature. Well, when it was at 0607, we were so bored that it really wasn't being bought. But for this, I'll tell you about the imitations, how you can buy them, and how you can buy them faster. With this news at night, things really happened in crypto. We also opened a broadcast and all. With this news at night, things really happened in crypto. We also opened a broadcast and all. Look, you can see how much money people are making here. So a $10,000 purchase turns into $2 to $3 million. Guys are buying millions of dollars. But here, guys are buying millions of dollars. So, something different happened when it entered the US, and I started to see the numbers in its absence. The guy bought $800,000, friends. He made a sale of $12 million. And the guy still has $31 million worth of tokens that he hasn't sold, friends. There's a Melania token. So, it's a very different environment. Look, he made $1 million purchase. He made a sale of $8 million. He has made $1 million in profit and still has $1 million coin tokens in his wallet, friends. So the numbers in Dexity have really changed, friends. So once this America thing got involved, big money started coming into play. Here you can clearly see it. You can see the profits that people have made here. Not everyone who bought it got in within minutes. I'm going to show you how to make a purchase right when it comes out. Now let's go to the address we copied earlier. I'm coming to Jupiter, friends. Jupiter and Rajium are the places where we make purchases in these situations. Friends, first of all, we need a phantom wallet. So what is a phantom wallet? It's the wallet we use on the Solana network. Friends, he buys it from within the phantom wallet before it's listed on any exchange on the Solana network. If you don't have a phantom wallet and don't know how to use it, if it hasn't been set up, or if you don't have it on your computer, how are you going to set it up? You can also do this from your phone, by the way. When you come to YouTube as a coin engineer, look, just type in Phantom Friends, and you'll find answers to all the questions you have about using Phantom right in front of you. If you install your Phantom on your computer, then we can continue. Now we've come to Jupiter, and you need to make some settings here. Friends, look, I'm taking the manual option at first. I'm increasing the amount of the fee I'm going to pay, and I'm also increasing the slippage rate I'm going to pay. Look, I was using it at 30%. Yeah, this is at least 20%. When you buy this instantly, I'm bringing it down to 20%, friends. There's nothing you can do about this. I'm bringing it down to 20%. Here, it says exact fee, for example, look. So I will be buying it with a fee of about $2. I usually raise this fee to $2.5, or sometimes to 0.02, which means $4 or $5. Why? Because I'm trying to pay the highest fee to get it as quickly as possible, friends. So what is the slippage rate? We didn't explain this either. The slippage rate, for example, let's say it's $1. I am not buying it from $1, but from dollars, which means a 20% increase. I'm kind of giving myself a right to the exchange by buying it at $1, friends. When you buy it this way, you usually succeed in your transactions, friends. I buy it this way. I set it up like this. Then I say close. Then up there it becomes Solana, friends. We're buying Solana. We always have Solana in our wallet, friends. Once you learn to use Phantom, you'll immediately send your Solana. Look, I always buy one onion at my own risk. If you're going to make a purchase from here, what are you doing? So how many Solanas do you want to buy up there? 0.5. You just write 0.5 Solana up there, or you can write 1. It's completely up to you. It also tells you the amount you can buy down below. It says I can buy 11. You press the swap button. You receive a notification on your Phantom wallet. You press the confirm button, and now your purchase is complete. So where did you buy it from? Look, there's a right arrow here. Look, friends, it's right here. You click on this. The moment you click here, it shows your wallet balance down below, friends. Also, there's a feature in Dexineer where you can copy your wallet address. Come to Dexineer, friends. When you click on the transaction section and paste your wallet address here after clicking on Maker, it shows you where you've made your buy and sell transactions. Right now, it's very hard to see this due to the congestion in this coin. If you don't buy from Jupiter, definitely try Ragi. Right now, it's very hard to see this due to the congestion in this coin. If you don't buy from Jupiter, definitely try Ragi. Ragi can be very fast too, friends. I'm increasing my level here. Look, I'm bringing it to turbo from here. I'm selecting the exact fee regarding the max cap. I'm increasing my fee rate from here, friends. So, I'm willing to pay this $5 fee. Let's save it this way. I'm trying to buy from here again. Usually my purchases of Radium are successful. Yes, with Radium, as soon as you paste the token's address here, it shows you the Melania. If you select your wallet from the top left, you can also make purchases this way, friends. Now, we've also learned how to set up slippage. We've learned what slippage means, and we've also learned how to adjust the price. We'll pay. By the way, these are high prices. I never use it like this during normal times. During normal times, I make these transactions by paying very, very low fees. Let's go over that information again. We're trying to buy during these sudden rises, friends. Look, let's definitely pay attention to this. Yes, we've learned these settings. Now, there are a few more tactics. For example, Solana has different RPSs within itself. For example, there are RPSs like Triton Helios and Triton 2, friends. For example, when you click on the settings here in Tweeton, it already shows up again. What you didn't happen on Tweeton. You didn't succeed in what you did. Switch to Tweeton. So, there are different options available here. By moving on to these, you can make your transactions even easier. Just because it doesn't work here doesn't mean it won't work there. Sometimes one of them is definitely much faster, for example. Look, you can already see it in real time. This one is 57, this one is 49. Look, this one is 116 and this one is 177. These are changing in real time. That's why I'm sharing this information with you. On my radio too, when you click on the settings here, you can see that you can choose one for yourself by selecting Triton, Helios, or Custom. How can you buy it when it goes up like this with Bitcoin? I've explained all the risks, so when you buy at $1, for example, you need to get $10 worth, which means you need to buy 10 of them. But you can also get away with having 7 of them with the settings you make, or even 7.5, since we set a 25% sweepage. Just so you know. Friends, if you want to buy it when it first comes out, and it's risky, you have to accept this list as well. Okay, then it really rose to around $75. If the market cap is correct in the future, it has risen to 16 billion, friends. It rose to a market cap of 15 billion. This is really a crazy and terrifying market cap for crypto. I mean, it's almost going to surpass the market cap of projects like AVAX and Aptos, friends. But then there was a drop when Trump came into play. Then the Melania token came out. The Melania meme coin also experienced a rise. It's currently come down to around $12. Look, it's hovering around $10. This one is not fully listed on the exchanges yet. It's listed on Binance and Fuxusta. I'm really curious if this will rise along with the exchanges. That's why I'm keeping a close eye on it. If someone else from Trump's family launches a new token, friends, Trump will probably retweet it as well. Look, we personally shared something like this in the COIN community. That's Trump's family. We traced Trump's family tree like this, for example. There were a lot of rumors about Eric Trump and Baron Trump. Eric Trump is being followed quite a bit, friends. I mentioned on Twitter that if they launch a new token, followers should keep an eye on it to buy. You're copying from the family, and then you can adjust your settings from Jupiter and get it. I hope it has been a useful video. This design is for informative videos and content. If you want to stay updated, follow us on Telegram. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter. Of course, don't forget to like and share this video, friends. Stay safe.